Hi everybody, bit of a change of scenery today. I'm in my little man cave. I've literally just got back from the Maker Central event at Birmingham. Really intense event. I've loved every minute of it. Problem being, I didn't do that much filming, and on Saturday, I must apologise, anybody who come and shook my hand on Saturday, I did forget to give out stickers. If you want one, please get in touch and I'll post you one. I also apologise for not having everybody I wanted in the video, because I didn't start filming till Sunday dinner. I did a bit of filming on Saturday, but only bits and bobs. I didn't really start filming till Sunday dinner. I missed a load of people, they're either not there or I just couldn't find them and ran out of time. So I apologise for that. A big thank you to everybody who did help me out with an ending for my video. Much appreciated. All the names and links to the channels will be in the description. And if you're watching Nick, I thought it was a fantastic event. Let's do another one next year. I'm sure a lot of people will agree. So this is my take on my experience of Maker Central. So I hope you enjoy. So a big thank you to everybody who watches my channel and everybody who I've met. You're all amazing. And if you're listening, Nick, I could do with doing it again next year. Bye for now.